Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can sign out of Google Classroom right here. So the first thing you wanted to do is to go up to the top with the right. Here, right? Notice you see a picture. Some of you might not see a picture, but you might see if your name start with M, you see the M here. You start with K, you see the K here. So I'm going to click. Now when I click, definitely I can actually scroll up so far. All right, so let me click again. If you notice, you see the word sign out. So I'm going to click on the word sign out right here. The sign out of the classroom so far, and you see exactly. You see all the rest of these stuff here. But what you want to focus on, right? You click on sign out. Right? Definitely. So when you sign out, you notice you take you right back over here. So very important. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.